Basher, we need you now.
For those of you who don't know, Budgie is celebrating 20 years as a basher, and it's quite a milestone. In fact, some of the younger bashers I've been talking to this week who've only just met Budgie are surprised that he lasted more than 2 weeks.
I'm delighted to be able to use all the powers that have been invested in me as a turtle. To pronounce you husband and wife. Budgie, you may now kiss your lovely bride.
It's beautiful. They are so beautiful.
I couldn't be happier. Great day for a wedding.
Yeah, great day for a wedding, yeah.
It is a great day for the wedding, and that concludes the 2014 Trillion Variety Bash. We've got a bit of a party to go to.